Привіт, я Ruth. I've been trying to prepare some key phrases for conversation classes. I'm going to try to learn these off by heart. The first one is розкажи ще. Розкажи мені більше. This is the guy saying it.
Розкажи ще. Розкажи мені більше.
Розкажи ще. Tell me more. Розкажи мені більше. Is it many? Many. Розкажи мені більше. That's the first one. I think I've got it. Розкажи ще. Розкажи мені більше.
Розкажи ще. Розкажи мені більше.
Розкажи ще. Розкажи мені більше. I think I've got it. The next one's easy. Why is that? And that's чому так. That's so easy. It's nice. Чому так?
Чому так?
Чому так? So somebody tells you something about how they feel and you say чому так. Great for conversation. So these really key phrases for conversation class. The next one is take your time. Let's hear it.
Не поспішайте. Не поспішайте.
Не поспішайте.
Не поспішайте.
Не поспішайте. Не поспішайте. I'll try this in my class on Tuesday. Не поспішайте. Take your time. Не поспішайте. Не поспішайте. Take your time. Не поспішайте. I like that. The next one, what are you thinking or what do you mean? So, here it is.
Що ви маєте на увазі?
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 Увазі, увазі. I think I've got it. And then the last one is how do you feel about that? So somebody's told you something. How do you feel about that? Key phrases for conversation here.
Як ти до цього ставишся?
Як ти до цього ставишся? So the new word for me is ставишся. And the translation was how do you feel about that? Ставишся. Як ти до цього ставишся? Як ти до цього ставишся?
Як ти до цього ставишся?
Як ти до цього ставишся? Might take me a little while to learn that one. Як ти до цього ставишся? Those are my key phrases for today. So I'll play them now just with Anton.
Розкажи ще. Розкажи мені більше. Чому так? Не поспішайте. Що ви маєте на увазі? Як ти до цього ставишся?
I hope that you like them. I hope that you find them useful in your conversation classes. If you would like a little PDF of them, so easy. Just click the link in the description and you will get that just right there. Till the next time, do pobачення. Buvai.